Hi Mavericks, this is Mrs. Hanson, your proud lead counselor at McNeil High School, and today I'm going to be going over a quick video tutorial on how to find your AP potential using your PSAT scores. The first thing you're going to do is go to collegeboard.org and sign in using your username and password. If you don't have a username and password on a College Board account yet, that's all right. Just go to where it says don't have an account, sign up, and complete the sign up process. If you already have your username and password, put those in the fields and click sign in. After you sign in, you'll get to your personalized landing page, and I want you guys to look at the right-hand side where there's a list here of options to choose, and I want you to click on the link that says PSAT, NMSQT, PSAT 10, and PSAT 8-9. This is the link that shows all of the scores from every PSAT test you've taken since you were in middle school. After you get to your student score report page that shows all of your PSAT scores, look on the right-hand side of your screen. Here is where it says get your personalized AP roadmap. See the yellow button that says Explore AP? Great. Click on that button now. This takes you to the AP potential page of the student score reports. Your performance on the SAT suite of assessments, which includes your PSAT, can reveal a list of recommended advanced placement courses that you may do well in. So what is AP? It's a program that gives students like you the opportunity to take college-level courses and potentially earn some college credit while you're still in high school. McNeil offers a variety of AP courses that students can take. So we're going to scroll down this page to find some more information. This chart shows you a tool that you could use to determine your AP potential. Your AP potential means that you scored high enough on a PSAT test that indicates that you have a 60% chance or higher of passing an AP exam in any one of these AP courses. This chart lists every single AP class the College Board offers on the left-hand side in blue. So if we scroll down, we'll see that there are over 30 different College Board AP classes that are offered. However, your school may not offer all those courses. If we look in this column where it says your school offers this course, a green check mark indicates that it is offered at your campus, and an X indicates it is not offered at your campus. So for example, this student shows although they have a high probability of being able to pass AP Art History, it is not offered at their school, so they can't take it. Speaking of the probability of passing those AP exams, or your AP potential, let's take a look at the key that shows us what those green dots mean. 3 green dots show that your PSAT scores indicate that you're ready to succeed in that course, and you have a 60% chance or higher of passing the AP exam. 2 green dots mean that your PSAT scores indicate that you could be ready to do AP level coursework, especially if you're interested in the subject and you're willing to work really hard. It shows that you have some potential, but that you do not quite reach that 60% or higher probability of passing the AP exam. If there is 1 green circle, it means that your PSAT scores indicate that your potential has not yet been indicated and that you may need more preparation and support in order to succeed in that course, and that you haven't yet shown the potential to score to have 60% or higher probability of passing the AP exam after taking the course without intervention. What's also really neat about this tool is that you can select a college major and see if that major matches any of the AP classes that College Board offers. So for example, in this drop-down menu, I'm going to click on Astronomy. After I click on Astronomy, I can compare whether the AP courses that my high school offers matches my intended major. So for example, I can see that this student's high school offers AP Biology. This student has a very high probability of passing the AP exam, but it doesn't match the intended major of astronomy. However, Calculus AB is offered at the student's high school. The student has a high probability of passing the AP exam after taking the course, and it is offered, and that course matches their intended major. So using the AP potential tool not only helps you to determine if you have the potential to do well in the course, but it also helps you decide which AP classes might be the best fit based on what you might want to study in college. I hope this quick tutorial helps you to decide which AP courses you want to take next year. Please reach out to your assigned school counselor if you want to select AP classes that maybe you haven't indicated you wanted to take before. You can always request a schedule change to take an advanced class after you have met with your counselor. But all course requests should be done by March 12th. So hopefully this tutorial helps you to look at which AP classes are a good fit for you and gives you time before March 12th to reach out to your counselor if there are AP classes that you'd like to take that you haven't yet registered for. If you have any questions about AP potential or advanced academics in general, please be sure to reach out to your counselor. We're here to help. Go Mavs!